Begin working the elastic bind off by knitting 2 stitches regularly onto the right hand knitting needle. With the left hand needle going from left to right, insert the needle into the stitches on the right hand needle and knit them together. Then you're going to knit 1 stitch, and once you have 2 stitches on that right hand needle, you'll insert your left hand needle into the 2 stitches from left to right and knit them together. And that is what you will repeat across the row. Knit 1, insert the left hand needle into the 2 stitches and knit them together. Knit 1 stitch, insert the needle into the 2 stitches and knit them together, and so forth. You'll work the last stitch the same way. When you have 2 stitches on the right needle, you'll insert your left hand needle into them and then knit them together through the back. Cut the yarn, fasten off as you normally would, and there's your elastic bind off. Happy knitting!